Confused about affiliate marketing? Then read this information. Affiliate programs make use of the huge online market to create some extra cash, which is always welcome in these hard times. However, if you're just starting a site or your site isn't making much profit, you might not know what to do. This site contains useful tips and tricks to noticeably improve profits. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. Before joining an affiliate marketing program, test out the product or service that you will be promoting. Having used the product before talking about allows you to give honest and sincere reviews of it. Your readers will be able to tell that your recommendations come from actual use and trust your reviews more than a generic review that doesn't tell them anything. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for generous commission programs. You should be receiving at least 20 to 50% of the profit on each item that you sell. Your value to the company and the product that you are promoting should outweigh the desire for the company to scrape a few more pennies out of your commission. Allowing people to subscribe to your website and receive newsletters from you will help you to appear more legitimate in the affiliate field. Especially if you're offering a trustworthy product or service, you want to keep in touch with your customers so that they become repeat customers and help you to increase your profits regularly. Market your business online more effectively by using affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing programs tend to be more effective for generating traffic and sales than other more popular advertising strategies such as banner ads. When you select your affiliate marketing program, be sure to consider how payments will be distributed, the traffic the directory receives, and how easy it is to use. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're always putting out good content. If you have old content that's outdated, customers might get turned away. A simple way to keep your old content good is by placing a link to more current content on your website. As was mentioned before in the video, affiliate programs can be a very nice source of income. However, if you're lazy and uninterested in making your site attractive to your audience, your site will surely fail. You need to put in your time and effort if you want to see any rewards. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.